you next, little guy. What's up, guys? It's rtswhips here, coming at you with another video. Today we have a tire appointment in maybe about an hour. Last time we took it to the drift event with FPS Kenny and we did some damage. I'll link a video. Fall in the crib and be looking like drink up, baby girl. Drink up now. I was running off, dog. I know they gon' kill her. Smoking no killer and taking your bitch on the dude. This stupid ass. I'm kill 14 niggas, 13 bitch niggas play. My drink on my check. Why? Cause he blow niggas. But we have only a little bit of tread left, so just coming at you with a super simple video. We are going to see how long this lasts. I traveled all the way to Mexico to film this video for you. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Let's get out of here. All right, let's turn that traction control off. Okay, boys, let's get out of here. Ooh. Oh my God. That was kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. We gotta rip one more fatty burnout for the squad. This is just too much tire tread. Gotta get one more burnout out of these tires. This is just too much tread that I feel okay with, you know, just giving up. Let's see if we lose traction at first. Oh yeah, a little bit there. Woo! All right, one more burnout. Fuck, oh, I'm in second gear, fuck. Gonna be you next, little guy.